So is it really worth doing multicolour prints on such small objects like this? This print without any multicolour in it was supposed to take 34 minutes. It actually took 1 hour and 41 minutes with all the colour changes, and all I changed was the eyes and the nose, as you can see on here, and this is all the waste it produced. So for me personally, I think doing such small objects like this is not really worth it, and it'd be a lot cheaper to actually paint on the eyes and the nose. I didn't have a prime towel with us either to cut down on waste, and I've also set my purge to 0.6 to cut down on waste, but you still get a lot of waste for such a small object. For bigger objects it's different. I do use multicolour, but for smaller objects like this now, to be honest, I don't think it's actually worth the wastage. That's just my own opinion. You can obviously reduce the waste by not having prime towels and turning down the purge, but it still produces a lot of waste for such a small object, and it takes a lot longer to print out as well. But this is just my own opinion. This is just my own opinion. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and keep an eye out for some other videos.